Whenever I'm working on a new project, I like to visualize ideas as early as possible. A floor plan is often all I need to start exploring materials, atmosphere, and the overall feel of the design. Let me show you how we can do that with Floor Plan to Render. Rendair's Floor Plan to Render is purpose-designed so architects can create concept renders without compromising. Let's open the Floor Plan to Render app and get started. Rendair supports a variety of file formats, so you can use whatever works best for your workflow. We're working on supporting more file formats, so let us know which ones you'd like to see supported next. If you're working with a multi-page PDF, simply upload the file and choose the page you'd like to render directly within the app. Before generating, take a look at the Styles menu. Styles provides a great starting point and can quickly steer the output towards a very particular architectural style. Next, let's work on the prompt. Your prompt tells Rendair how you'd like to interpret the floor plan. Include details such as architectural style, materials, landscaping, surrounding environment, lighting conditions, and the overall atmosphere you're aiming to achieve. We can think of the prompt as our brief to the app to explain what we want to create, change, edit, or achieve. The more specific you are, the more accurately Rendair can translate your floor plan into a realistic architectural visualization. You can always combine a style with your own detailed prompt for even greater control. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Within a few moments, Rendair will transform your floor plan into a fully rendered architectural concept while respecting the overall layout and spatial organization of your design. Let's say the first result isn't exactly what you imagined. That's completely normal and part of the creative process. Instead of starting over, refine your prompt. Small prompt adjustments can often produce dramatically different results, making iteration one of the fastest ways to explore new design directions. Once you've found a result you're happy with, you can continue refining it using other Rendair apps. Use Change Material to compare different finishes without changing the overall design. Add people with Populate Render to introduce scale, activity, and a more neutral sense of realism. If you'd like more precise control, open Edit Canvas to sketch directly onto the image, mask specific areas, or introduce new design elements before generating another version. Because every edit happens within the same session, each generation builds on the previous one. This allows you to evolve your design step by step instead of recreating it from scratch every time. Once you're completely happy with the final image, use Upscale to produce a high-resolution render suitable for presentations, competitions, planning applications, or client meetings. Floor Plan to Render gives you a fast, flexible way to visualize your ideas, explore multiple design directions, and develop your project from concept to presentation.